In this video, I show you how to invite friends to like your Facebook page. It's quick and easy. Let's begin. First, tap the three lines icon. Now go to Pages to see your pages. Select the page you want friends to like. Close this pop-up and tap the three dots icon. Look for Invite Friends and tap it. You will see your friend list. Select friends you want to invite. You can either search by name and choose specific friends, or go through the list to make your selection. Or you can select all of them at once. For this tutorial, let's invite one friend. Select a friend by tapping on the box. Now tap Send Invitations, and the person will get a notification. If you found the video helpful, please give it a like. It really helps me out. Thank you.